Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the dust bag on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To replace it, find the door right here and open them, like so. Now you can see there is the dust bag. You can simply replace it by pulling this tab. Pull this tab all the way. And as you can see, now it's out. To put a new one in, I'll put the same one in because I haven't used it yet. So I'll just like bring it back to its natural position. Just slide it in the same place. As you can see, it is under 45 degree angle. Put it in like so. Push it all the way in, and it's done. You can now close the door. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.